So, welcome back to the Grand Government Medical College, where life is more than just medicine and lectures. Sangharsh is our biggest cultural fest.
आवाज आ रही है अच्छे से? Thank you so much for having me. It means a lot. It means that you have a lot of money.
Followed by Antarang, which is our Marathi cultural fest.
So our college has a variety and plethora of events. First of all, there's Astitva, which is our annual cultural event. Then there's Antarang, which is our Marathi cultural event. And there's Auxasis, which is one of the largest academic events of the state. Moreover, there's Kurukshetra, which is our intra-college sports event. Then there's Agneya, which is our inter-college sports event. Other than this, we also celebrate all the festivals with like a bang, and it includes Ganesha Chaturthi, which has its cultural and sports fest. And we have Dandiya Pyrexia, we have August Melodies, we have Shiv Jayanti.
So, now let's know about Sangharsh in detail from Rohan.
Myself, Rohan Pawar, third year MBBS student at GMC Mumbai. The biggest fest of our college is Sangharsh, earlier called as Astitva.
So, Rohan, please tell us more about Astitva in detail.
It's a 5-day fest with the first day being a dance event known as Dheerhythmia.
Oh, that's nice. So, what about the next day?
On the second day, there is an inter-college singing competition which is known as Encore, where our college and many other colleges from Mumbai compete.
Rohan, what about the third day?
Okay, now third day is mysterious. On third day, people right from first year to post interns go on a treasure hunt.
So, what about the day 4, Rohan?
Day 4, crazy ho gaya guys. Truly, our supreme leader Samir Raina made our nights darkest and the funniest.
मेरी लास्ट ईयर तक रील वायरल हुई थी जिसमें मैंने कहा था प्लेसमेंट। तो वो रील के बाद ना मेरे इतने कॉलेज शो कैंसिल हुए, कसम से मेरा एम्स में शो था वो कैंसिल हो गया भाई। तो अब मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह एम्स से रिजेक्ट होके ग्रांड में।
So, what about the last day, Rohan?
Okay, Amar, the event came to an end with the melodious performance of Gajendra Verma. With his electrifying performance, he made the day of all music-loving GMsites.
So, now coming to Kurukshetra, which is our intra-college sports event. So, whether you are an athlete or just love the thrill of sports, Kurukshetra is an event you don't want to miss. Kurukshetra includes all sports from chess, kabaddi to cricket.
कुरुक्षेत्र का है मैदान, वीरों का है खेल, हिम्मत से वही जीतेगा जो ना हो कभी फेल। खिलाड़ियों का जुनून है, जीत का है अरमान, खिलाड़ियों का जुनून है, जीत का है अरमान, जंग का है उत्सव, कहते हैं इसे जीएमसी की शान, जीएमसी की शान, जीएमसी की शान। Hello everyone, myself Aniket Katia, third year MBBS student, hereby presenting you the most awaited annual sports event of GGMC called Kurukshetra. कुरुक्षेत्र नाम तो सुना ही होगा। So there are two sports event in our college, Agneya and Kurukshetra. Agneya is inter-college sports event and Kurukshetra is intra-college sports event. Let me give you the brief idea about the sports events that happens in GMC.
रुको जरा
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course.
हमको पहचानते हो?
ब्रो अगर तेरे को पहचानूंगा तो कैच छूट जाएगा।
अरे रानी ने राजा का काट दिया।
चेकमेट।
अरे सुनो, अरे ई का भौकाल है। पता नहीं क्यों जीएमसी के बच्चों में इतना जोश आ गया है। अरे अरे, बड़ी गेंद से हमको भी खेलना है। अरे कोई सुन क्यों नहीं रहा? ये सब क्या हो रहा है?
अरे विराज क्यों बैठे हो?
अरे कोई सुन क्यों नहीं रहा?
तुम्हें पता नहीं जीजीएमसी का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट कुरुक्षेत्र आ रहा है।
कब से?
15 अप्रैल।
अरे क्या गमछा पहन के बैठे हो? छोड़ो, तुमसे कुरुक्षेत्र तो नहीं होने वाला। अरे कांप कह रहे हो? तो तुम भी आओ, अपनी टीम बनाओ, मिलते हैं कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में।
Due to COVID, we literally lost our college events and sports activity last 3 to 4 years. And our OGGS, Mahesh Jadhav, who put all the efforts and made it happen to bring back the GMC spirit. अब कबड्डी के बारे में क्या ही बताओ, हनामर।
Auxasis. Every year, there is the biggest academic feast of the GGMC named as Auxasis, where the renowned speaker came, conduct workshops. It also includes the paper present competitions, quiz competitions.
Now moving to Shiv Jayanti, which is celebrated with great enthusiasm, with students performing lezim, drama and nritya, that is dance.
वाघनगर निघाली, खुपसली खानाच्या पोटात, दगाद खान कडाडला, पोतळा बाहेर पडला, पण त्याच वेळी संभाजी ताजी धावला.
ही तो श्रींची इच्छा.
आता एवढं कंटिन्यू करू मी तुम्हाला.
स्वराज्याचा पहिला किल्ला तोरणा काबीज करून स्वराज्याचे तोरण बांधले. प्रजा सुखी होती, उत्सव साजरे होत होते आणि स्वराज्य
Then we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi.
तेरा ही नाम पुकारूं
During Ganesh Chaturthi, we have all types of sports and traditional events. Then we also celebrate Dahi Handi Utsav. We have a Garba night during Navratri. Then we have August melodies in the month of August, in which there are different performances like ghazal and concert on the last day. Then we also celebrate Holi with great enthusiasm. Till the next video, thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe for more such videos.